In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hole in your mesh using Blender. Whether you're adding windows to a model or crafting detailed textures, knowing how to manipulate the geometry of a mesh is a basic yet powerful skill to master. So let's start by getting into edit mode. To do this, simply press the tab key on your keyboard. This mode is your workspace for mesh editing, giving you the flexibility to modify and sculpt your shape just the way you want. Now, it's time to bring out the Loop Cut and Slide tool. By hovering over an edge while holding down Control and pressing R, you'll notice a yellow line appearing on your mesh. This line shows you where the cut will happen. Gently move your mouse until this line aligns with your desired location. When you're happy with where it sits, confirm your action by pressing Ctrl plus R again, and then follow through with a left click. This series of actions effectively adds a new edge loop to your mesh. Creating a grid of faces is the next step, and it's simply a matter of repeating the loop cut process. This grid is essential as it lays the groundwork on where your hole is going to be placed. Be patient and meticulous here. A well-defined grid ensures cleaner, professional results. Once your grid is ready, switch to Face Select mode. You can seamlessly transition into this by pressing the number 3 on the top number row, or by clicking the face icon in your Blender menu. In this mode, you'll have the ability to select specific faces on your mesh. Identify and select the faces nestled within the grid you formed. Now, it's time to create that opening. Press X, and from the menu that pops up, choose Faces. Doing this deletes the selected faces, and voila, you now have an opening in your mesh. Having created the hole, you might notice the edges are raw and need to be tidied up. Press the number 1 on the top number row to dive into Vertex Select mode. This is a mode where each point or vertex of your mesh is accessible, letting you manipulate the structure down to its most elemental components. To define your cleanup area, hold the Shift key and carefully select the vertices around the perimeter of the hole you've created. With your edge vertices selected, it's time to cover that opening with a new face for a polished look. The magic shortcut for this is the F key. By pressing F, you fill the opening with a new face, seamlessly blending it into the rest of your mesh. And there you have it, a gentle introduction to how you can make precise modifications to your geometry in Blender, leaving your model looking clean and intentional. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with these foundational tools.